AI keyword targeting scans your resume against a job description and flags the keywords you're missing. Here are the 3 ways to use it. The first is during setup. Select Target Resume, enter the job title, company, and paste in the job description. Rezi uses that information to tailor suggestions as you build. The second is from Job Search. Find a listing, click Target Resume, and select which resume you want to tailor. No copying and pasting required. The third is in the Finish Up and Preview tab once your resume is complete. Keywords you've covered are marked with a green check mark. Missing ones are listed so you know exactly what to add. Click a missing keyword and Rezi generates a bullet point for it, placed under the most relevant role on your resume. Review it before moving on and adjust the wording to reflect your actual experience. And your Rezi score updates in real time. That's AI keyword targeting, helping you align every application with what employers are looking for.